Samsung's much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series launch is just days away. However, last-minute leaks are still rolling in, and a new report reveals powerful behind-the-scenes Galaxy S24 Ultra upgrades that help explain Samsung's expected camera hardware changes. According to an unverified but authentic-looking retail training document shared by ex-user Harshit Joshi, the forthcoming Samsung flagship camera will eclipse the current Galaxy S23 Ultra when taking zoom photos despite an expected downgrade to the zoom lens specs. In this year's Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is reportedly replacing the S23 Ultra's 10x telephoto camera with a higher resolution, a lower magnification 5x version. This has led to concerns over the newer model's ability to capture long-range zoom shots without reducing quality. However, in a section titled Space Zoom, the document promises excellent zoom quality at all ranges and optical quality zoom at 2x, 3x, 5x, and more importantly, 10x magnification. Samsung's trademark long-range space zoom digital zoom feature also transfers to the Galaxy S24 Ultra at magnifications up to 100x. This suggests the Galaxy S24 Ultra won't suffer any image quality loss in the switch from 10x to 5x optical zoom. According to the report, this is achieved by using a much higher resolution sensor in the new 5x camera, bolstered by improved image processing techniques. Furthermore, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to activate multi-frame processing at all zoom levels, not just at 20x and higher, as is the case with the S23 Ultra. This should result in reduced noise and improved detail across the entire zoom range, further boosted by new AI-powered super-resolution algorithms. Despite these advances, Samsung will still have its work cut out in convincing potential buyers that this perceived downgrade from 10x telephoto to 5x will result in better photos. All will be revealed at the official Galaxy Unpacked event on Jan 17. As we eagerly await the official Galaxy Unpacked event on Jan 17, the burning question remains: can Samsung successfully convince potential buyers that less can indeed be more when it comes to capturing the perfect shot? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.